Heavens, this is English. She's always in my mind. From the time I wake up until I close my eyes, she's everywhere I go. She's all I know. Though she's so far away, and it keeps getting stronger every day. Heaven knows she's gone, I'm still holding on. So tell me, where do I start? 'Cause it's breaking my heart. I didn't want